Scafell Pike, towering at 3,209 feet high, the summit of Scafell Pike in the heart of the Lake District is England's tallest mountain.
Join us driving up Scafell Pike. On our journey to its base is an adventure in itself, with several routes available for those wishing to explore this majestic peak on foot.
The most popular starting point is Wasdale Head, which is the shortest and often considered the easiest route.
For those seeking a more scenic approach, the routes from Seawaite in Borrowdale, Boot in Eskdale, or Dungeongill in Great Langdale offer longer treks with stunning views and the chance to connect with the rugged beauty of the Lake District.
These narrow roads demand a driver's full attention and careful navigation, especially considering the variable weather conditions that can quickly transform the landscape.
As you can see, the roads around Scafell Pike can be challenging. This mountain is one that gets the most rescue calls each, with over 600 dealing with people underestimating the challenge ahead. There have been incidents where individuals have required rescue due to accidents or becoming lost, and not everyone makes it.
The summit promises awe-inspiring vistas of massive boulders, craggy flanks, and immense ravines, a reward well worth the ascent. Unfortunately, our attempt failed due to the roads to the summit being closed. Look what we could have seen if only we could get to the top.
From the summit, the views are unparalleled. To the south, the River Esk meanders through the Great Moss, and to the west, the rocky face of Scafell and the green fields of Wasdale Valley. On a clear day, the Isle of Man is visible, and the large, round stone summit cairn and plaque stand as a testament to the Lake District men lost during the First World War.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for our next adventure.